It's not Sarah and Keelan, it's not the Honey Badger, it's Ian from iTechworld at the Perth Show. We've got our brand new iTechworld Ute here at the show on display. In it, we have a couple of our new products, which is the ultra slim batteries, and they are now powering the brand new power core here. So if you're looking for an all-in-one system, then the best thing you can get is the power core. It takes all the best iTechworld products and puts it into one. So you've got the inverter, the chargers, AC charger, DC charger, solar controller. You've got your battery monitor, everything in one, and really easy to install. So on the other side of the iTechworld Ute, we have two iFrost fridges, the drawer fridges. You have a look here, got them running, super cold. 2000 watt inverter up on the top here. We've got another new product, which is the mini power core, and then powered by the 300 ultra slim battery on the side here. So in our TLX canopy on display at the caravan show, we have our new and improved PS2000. We've changed the inverter size in this, so we've made it larger so you can run bigger appliances. And we've also added in a very popular feature, which is Bluetooth. So you can now control the whole power station directly from your phone. So we have the TLX canopy here. It's the best way to travel around because you've got full access all around the side. The great thing about it is all our iTechworld products slot in really neat and tidily, and it just makes it perfect for when you're going traveling. So thanks for watching. That's the two canopies we have here at the Perth Caravan Show. If you need any more information, you can jump onto iTechworld.com.au, or you can always give us a call on 1300 483 249.